Here's the truth. The highest paid people in the next 12 months won't be coders. They won't be CEOs. They won't even be sales sharks. It's going to be the people who know how to bend AI to their will. Number 1, prompt engineering. Talking to AI like a pro. Think of AI like a genie. If you ask for money, it'll hand you Monopoly cash. If you ask for a business idea, it'll tell you to start a lemonade stand. The problem isn't the genie, it's the way you ask the question. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's basically learning how to talk to AI so it stops giving you garbage answers and starts giving you gold. The formula is simple. Define the role, provide the context. Ask for the output, specify the format. Example, instead of saying, write me a business plan, say you are a startup consultant. Based on current e-commerce trends, outline a 6-month business plan for a dropshipping store in bullet point format with marketing milestones. Boom! That's the difference between an answer you delete and an answer you can sell. And people are paying serious money for this. Freelancers are charging $50 to $100 an hour just to write prompts that make AI actually useful. Here's the kicker. The better your prompts, the better every other AI skill becomes. Whether it's design, coding, or even marketing. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to the newest iPhone. And speaking of upgrades, what if I told you I can now build entire apps for you, even if you've never written a single line of code? Skill number 2, AI-assisted software development. Build apps without being a nerd. Once upon a time, building an app meant locking yourself in a basement for 6 months, surviving on Red Bull and instant noodles, while typing in a language that looked like the Matrix. Now, you can literally tell AI, hey, build me a website that sells personalized cat mugs, and 10 minutes later, it's live. Tools like Cursor, Replit, and Retool let you build websites, apps, and dashboards without touching scary code. It's like Legos, but the Legos snap themselves together. And here's the money part. Clients don't care if you used AI. They just want results. If you can take their idea and spin up a working prototype in days instead of months, they'll happily pay you $100 to $200 an hour. Think about it. Small businesses, startups, even creators, they all need tools, but they can't afford a full-time dev team. That's where you step in with AI-powered software building. And here's the kicker. Once you've built one thing, you can reuse the same template again and again for different clients. That means one weekend of work can turn into multiple paydays. So no, you don't need to be the next Elon Musk. You just need to know how to whisper sweet nothings to your AI coder buddy. And if you thought building apps without coding was crazy, wait until you see how AI is reshaping design. No more 6-fingered nightmare hands. This stuff looks so real, you won't believe it's fake. Skill number 3, AI design. From 6 fingers to 6 figures. Remember when AI art looked like a Picasso painting gone wrong? People with 5 elbows, dogs with human teeth, and hands with 6 fingers? Yeah, those days are over. Now AI can create designs so clean, most people can't even tell they're fake. Here's where the money comes in. Generative product photos, perfect for e-commerce. AI photo editing, brands need this daily. Web and app design, with tools like Figma AI. Even full site builds using platforms like Reloom.io. You don't need to be a trained designer. You just need to know the right AI prompts, tools, and workflows. Imagine this, a traditional web design project used to cost a company $20,000. Now with AI, you can do it for a fraction of the time and cost and still pocket $100 to $200 an hour. And the best part? AI handles the technical grunt work. You just bring the creativity and taste. That flips the ratio from 80% technical / 20% creative to the other way around, which is exactly why our next skill is exploding. Because if design has been revolutionized, wait until you see what AI can do for video editing. Skill number 4, AI video editing. From hours to minutes, back in the day, video editing was 80% technical headache and 20% creativity. You had to know timelines, keyframes, transitions, and about 47 keyboard shortcuts just to make a decent clip. Now, AI does the boring 80% for you, so you can focus on the creative juice that actually gets views. AI tools can auto-cut long podcasts into viral TikToks, add captions and B-roll automatically, generate avatars for faceless videos. Hello, automation. Even edit raw footage into polished YouTube videos with just a script. And here's the kicker. People are already making money with this. There are 12-year-olds charging YouTubers $20 per clip for shorts. Multiply that by 50 clips a month and you're talking real money. But if you level up and position yourself as an AI video editor for brands or influencers, you're looking at $100 to $200 an hour. Think about it. Content is the new oil, and every brand is drilling for it. If you can deliver high-quality clips at AI speed, you're not just valuable, you're irreplaceable. And if you thought editing videos was big, wait until you see what happens when AI writes content better and faster than humans. Skill number 5, AI writing, turning words into wealth. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't here to replace writers. It's here to replace boring writing. If you're just copying and pasting ChatGPT outputs, congrats. You're producing the literary equivalent of soggy toast. Nobody's paying for that, but here's where the money is. AI writing isn't about replacing creativity. It's about using AI to extract ideas, scale your voice, and multiply output. Think of it in 3 skills. 1. Extraction. Pull ideas from podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos. 2. Ideation. Use AI to brainstorm hooks, headlines, and viral angles. 3. Creation. Turn those into tweets, blogs, newsletters, or LinkedIn posts. Example, take a 60-minute podcast, extract 10 viral tweets, spin into a 1,000-word newsletter, repackage as a LinkedIn carousel. That's not writing, that's content alchemy, and clients pay for it. Freelancers charge $100 to $200 an hour for AI-powered content creation. Because in 2025, attention is currency. And AI lets you print it. So no, AI won't kill writers. But writers who know AI, they'll bury the competition. And speaking of burying competition, the next skill is exactly how creators and brands are taking over every platform at once, without burning out. Skill number 6, AI content marketing. Omnipresence on autopilot. Here's a secret most people don't know. Arnold Schwarzenegger runs a daily newsletter called The Pump Club. Over 500,000 subscribers. Guess how much of it he personally writes? Almost none. It's powered by AI plus a small team. That's the play. Content marketing isn't about writing one post. It's about being everywhere all the time without actually being everywhere. Here's the system. Record one podcast or one video. Use AI to chop it up into TikToks, Reels, tweets, blogs, newsletters. Schedule it all out with AI tools. Boom, you're omnipresent. And this is where stacking AI skills gets powerful. Prompt engineering plus video editing plus writing equals AI content marketing. Brands will pay $200 to $300 an hour for someone who makes them look like they're everywhere at once. Why? Because attention is leverage. The more platforms a brand shows up on, the more trust, the more sales. And AI makes it so easy, you'll wonder why companies are still burning out entire marketing teams. But speaking of replacing teams, the next AI skill doesn't just save time, it erases busy work completely. Skill number 7, AI automation. Stop selling hours, start selling systems. Here's the ugly truth. Most businesses don't actually want you. They want their problems solved. That's why AI automation is exploding. Because instead of charging for your hours, you build a system once, and it works 24/7. Picture this. A company hires 3 assistants just to handle onboarding, sending emails, scheduling calls, updating spreadsheets. You come in and set up an AI workflow that handles all of it. Result? 1 bot replaces 3 employees. And guess who pockets the savings? You. Tools like Make.com, Zapier, and N8N let you stitch together apps so AI runs the boring stuff. Auto replies to leads. auto updates, CRMs, auto sends contracts, auto anything. And here's the kicker. Once you learn how to automate one workflow, you can sell the same setup to 10 different businesses. Build once, get paid forever. That's why top AI automation freelancers charge $300 to $400 an hour. Because for a business, replacing repetitive work isn't just convenient, it's survival. And if you thought that was big, just wait. Because the next AI skill is about the most valuable thing on the planet: data. Skill number 8, AI data analysis, turning chaos into cash. Here's a fact: Amazon doesn't guess what you'll buy next. They know. Why? Because they're drowning in data and they know how to use it. Now, thanks to AI, even small businesses can do the same thing. Most companies sit on mountains of data they never touch. Customer emails, sales numbers, website traffic, social engagement, it's all there. But without analysis, it's just digital junk. AI data analysis turns that junk into profit. It can tell a company which customers spend the most, which ads are wasting money, where hidden opportunities are hiding. And here's the money angle. If you can take a messy spreadsheet and turn it into a clear story that drives sales, you're worth your weight in gold. Freelancers charge $300 to $400 an hour for AI-powered data analysis. Because one insight that doubles a campaign's ROI, that's worth thousands to a business. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a data scientist. AI tools handle the heavy lifting. You just need to ask the right questions and know how to present the results. But if data analysis is about finding hidden value, our final skill is about building entire AI workers that run businesses for you. Skill number 9, AI agent development, building digital employees. All right, buckle up, because this is where AI stops being a tool and starts being a team. AI agents are like digital employees. You don't have to micromanage them. You just give them a role, feed them data, and they work 24/7. Think of it like this. Instead of hiring a sales assistant, you build an AI agent that qualifies leads, sends follow-up emails, books appointments. Instead of a customer service team, you build an AI agent that handles 80% of support tickets automatically. And here's where it gets crazy. Companies are already replacing entire departments with these agents. That's not a theory. It's happening right now. And guess who gets paid to build them? The person who knows how to 1. Define the job. 2. Train the AI with real data. 3. Deploy and monitor it. That could be you. And businesses will happily pay $400 to $500 an hour for someone who can build an AI team that works non-stop. So yeah, this isn't just another side hustle. This is the skill that could put you ahead of 99% of the job market. And now that you've seen all 9 high-income AI skills, it's time to bring it all together. Conclusion, your AI roadmap starts now. So here's the bottom line. The people making the most money in 2025 won't be the ones working the hardest. It'll be the ones who know how to work with AI. We just covered the 9 high-income AI skills that can literally change your bank account. 1. Prompt engineering. 2. AI-assisted software development. 3. AI design. 4. AI video editing. 5. AI writing. 6. AI content marketing. 7. AI automation. 8. AI data analysis. 9. AI agent development. Now you don't need all 9. You don't even need half. Pick one skill, start learning, and turn it into income. Because the only people who get left behind are the ones who don't start at all. And here's the real kicker. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. So here's my challenge. Comment below which skill you'd start with. Prompting? Automation? Agent building? I'll be reading and replying to the best ones. And if you want more deep dives on how to turn AI into income streams, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because the next video is going to show you the 7 things I quit to go from broke to millionaire. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.